All right, Johnny, thank you. Well, a meeting this morning could have a big say on when, where, and how your kids go back to school in the state of Kansas. KMBC 9's Martin Augustine is live this morning at a critical time for kids, parents, schools, teachers, you name it. And Martin, we are just a couple of hours away now from this meeting.
Yeah, teachers and administrators here at Shawnee Mission North High School joining teachers and administrators across the state of Kansas and looking for some guidance from the Kansas State School Board on reopening schools in the middle of a pandemic. Kansas State School Board meets a little bit later this morning in Topeka. Now, district administrators already working on back-to-school issues. They've got a framework in place, and they have to because school's going to be starting in about a month. But a big question to answer here is how much can you open up the schools for classroom instruction versus how much online instruction needs to be ready to go thanks to the virus issues, which are still a very real thing, all while keeping student and staff well-being the top priority.
And I think it's a way that we can really come together and do some great things for our students. Like I mentioned, we have some staff that have some serious underlying health conditions. We have some staff that are over the age of 50, and that's a huge concern that we definitely take very seriously.
That state school board meeting begins at 10 o'clock. Reporting live at Overland Park, Martin Augustine, KMBC 9 News.
Martin, thank you. Now, the state of Kansas will be out with guidelines tomorrow for school districts to follow when classes do start next month. It is likely that students and teachers will have to wear face masks. Younger students won't have to. That's unless local officials mandate it. Hand washing will be a must throughout the day, throughout the school day, and space should be made in classrooms for social distancing. New numbers show the coronavirus impact here in the metro. 261 new cases were just reported in the 9-county Kansas City area. So that's on par with the rise in cases that we've been tracking this past week. The most total local cases, those are still in Wyandotte County, Johnson County, Kansas, and Kansas City, Missouri. Now, we are also keeping a close eye on the percentage of COVID-19 tests that are coming back positive. In Kansas, 10.9% of tests are. That's the state's highest 7-day average since the start of this pandemic. And in Missouri, it's down a little bit to 6.1%. Now, if you live in Clay or Jackson County and you want to get a COVID test, you can do that this week. Today is day 2 of a 3-day testing event in Kansas City, Missouri. Crews are set up for you for a drive-through test at the Homefield Sports Facility. That's off of 435 in Bannister. At first, this event was just for people in the service industry, but health officials have now opened it up to the public. The health department is asking that you make an appointment on their website before you head out. And we have a consumer alert for anyone who's already been tested for COVID-19. Leaders in Kansas just put out this warning asking all of us to keep a close eye on how we're being billed for those tests. KMBC 9's Matt Evans walks us through the problem this morning.
The Kansas Insurance Commissioner issuing this alert to consumers in the state yesterday after she became aware of some situations in which federal law may not have been followed when it comes to billing for COVID-19 tests. The Insurance Commissioner, Vicki Schmidt, says that Kansans should be paying very, very close attention to any kind of COVID-19 related charges on a bill because federal law requires COVID-19 testing to be carried out without cost sharing, which includes deductibles, co-payments, and co-insurance requirements or prior authorization of other medical management requirements. In layman's terms, this means that most people in Kansas should not be getting billed for a COVID-19 test, especially by a separate provider or a facility fee for getting that test. If you've gotten a test and you're concerned that this may have happened to you, you can call the Kansas Consumer Assistance Hotline. There's 2 numbers, both of them on the screen right now. You can also visit the Kansas Department of Insurance's website for a rundown of what kind of charges may be acceptable for COVID-19 tests and related medical care and what charges are not acceptable. In Leawood, Matt Evans, KMBC 9 News.
Matt, thank you. Well, Jackson County voters will decide in November what to do with statues of Andrea Jackson. There are 2 in the county. One is here in Independence on the square there. The other one is outside of the downtown courthouse, and that's been covered with a tarp since it was defaced. Jackson was a slave owner and is also the county's namesake. This morning, county legislator Jalen Anderson is challenging the importance of the statues.
What is the fear? What is the cause that we keep this statue up? What is it?
Now, County Executive Frank White accused legislators of ducking a tough vote on those statutes by passing it on to voters to decide. Well, we are just under a month, 21 days out from the August election. Today is an important deadline for Kansas voters. You have to register by today to vote in the August primary. Now, the deadline to register to vote in Missouri that has passed. Missourians will choose candidates for governor, Congress, the state legislature, as well as other offices.